FR Legends, baby. Today we are going to be going through and racing slash drifting the Mazda RX-7 FC and FD in FR Legends. Alright, so there we got our FD RX-7. And honestly, I might make some changes. Oh, the black or the gray? Let's go black for $800. But yeah, the RX-7 looks absolutely fire. I probably haven't played this game since the last time I've uploaded a video on this. Someone commented on my last video and asked me if I practice FR Legends. Buddy, no. I do not practice FR Legends. So let's go into the battle. Let's see if we can beat someone on Pro with the RX-7 FD. I might be terrible, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm the best. Ronaldo. Alright, pull here, pull here. Okay. Okay. 9 out of 12 entry. 9 out of 12 entry. Okay. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. 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 106. 60. You trash, boy. Get out of here, you trash. Alright, now the chase, which is honestly sometimes, in my opinion, a little bit more difficult. Unless... It's more difficult if you're trash, but if you're me...
Cap.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Being a little bit too cocky. Okay. Yo, for a first time back, I will take that. For a first time back, I will take that. 102? What is that score? That's like a 210. 208? Come on, man. FDRX7 all blacked out. You can't see me. I'll be on that. Let's run through a quick trial run of my FC. Our street tires are a little bit in shambles, so let's buy those. I did the exposed hood to see the rotary. All right, let's run this up. I think this car is faster. He's got the JZX chaser. I love the JZX. 7 out of 12. So worse than the FD, but I think we're faster than the FD, so we're gonna smash this guy, I think. Pause. Oh, we got a better score, but we missed one of the clipping zones. I don't understand how that works, FR Legends, but let me know. Alright, JZX Chaser's got nothing on me, even though I love the JZX Chaser. Okay, I'm on his door. I'm on his door. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. A little wonky. I'm in the smoke. I'm in the smoke. We with them. We with them. We with them on that one. Ah, they got a little bit better score than I did, but we still came out on top. We got a 205. I think our chase in the FD was a little bit better, but this car is so fast. All right, let's go into a different map. I don't know what map to do. I bought this map. I suck at it though, I'm not gonna lie.
I mean, you're not wrong.
Did that say 700 horsepower?
Try.
This guy's a tryhard. This guy practices FR Legends. So to be honest, it seems like it's not really this game. I'm kind of confused. I kind of went into this thinking I could compare the two cars, but you can't really compare the two cars. This game isn't a game where you can compare like the FD to the FC. It's really in it's really in the parts that you put on and the horsepower you make for the cars. That's really what I think pulls it away, because a lot of them handle pretty much the same way because it's a mobile game. Let's try one more quick battle, but we'll try in the FC since we have 500 horsepower on this car. This car makes a lot more power, so I'm hoping that we can kind of do a lot better with this car and not versus someone with 700 horsepower. This might be an actual good battle. Kind of a reverse entry. My finger kind of slipped. Oh, I like this map though. So, oh, he's got no points. He's got no points. Oh boy. He got 1 point. He got 1 point. Let's run up this. I don't know how it's gonna go, but we're going to do the Drift Park Route B. I hit the wall already. I'm just trash at this game, to be honest.
You got too much dip on your chip.
If we lose to Patrick, I'm done. I'm done. Alright, just run with it. Run with the wall hit. Swing. I hit all the clipping zones there. I don't know what you're talking about.
Boy, if you don't get...
I know I can hit this one. Let's end off on a good one at least. Yeah, we gonna wreck this guy now. Bling, 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 bling. Bling, 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 bling. 104. Dub. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Some deductions there. I wasn't really focused. We still won. There's no way we didn't. Yup. 840. Alright, that's going to be it for today's FR Legends video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, let me know, and I'll make more FR Legends videos. The problem is I don't know what to really make videos on for this game. There's only so many maps and so many cars in this game for me to make videos on, and that's kind of the problem with this game and why I've only came out with like 3 videos on it. But if you guys have something to make videos on, just let me know in the comments below, and I will try my best to produce a banger on it. If you stay to the end of this video, you're an absolute stud, and thank you so much. But peace.